What up everybody, it's your boy Quentin hitting with another video. Basically, I thought of making a video pertaining WhatsApp update privacy, which is the war of privacy when it comes to messenger and social media encryption. So today I'm going to be talking about the WhatsApp privacy and the best alternative. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you're going to be hearing about the other alternative and their advantages and the features that they have. So stay tuned. But before we get straight into the video, don't forget to like, to subscribe and to comment. It really means a lot to me. So please, before we go in further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can see upcoming videos that I'll be doing, as I'll be posting every week. So let's get straight into it. So basically, WhatsApp is a messenger application or a social media platform where people can communicate either as individual or as groups. So WhatsApp currently has more than 2 billion users active every month, which is far ahead other messenger applications that are there currently in the world. And WhatsApp is now part of the community of Facebook and Instagram, since it is being owned by the same team, by the same owners. And so the pop-up that came on my WhatsApp, it was asking for me to accept the new terms and conditions of privacy. That means if I accept these terms, the WhatsApp team can now have access to my information and be able to share it with the third party or use it for creating better ads that they'll be sending on other platforms that are related to WhatsApp, which are Facebook and Instagram. So the situation is, for us to accept this term, it's more of a gun to our head, because they say it's either you accept the terms or they're going to ban or terminate you from using their WhatsApp application. So we've been given up to 8 February to accept these terms. So this includes the normal WhatsApp that we use, the business WhatsApp as well. So which type of information are they looking for, or do they want to use when they're talking about this new upgraded private term changes and the information that they want? Well, the information that they want from this new privacy include the data usages that we use on WhatsApp on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, then the phone model as usual, the OS, the WhatsApp statuses that we'll be putting on. They also have access to all group details, group chats that we'll be having. If you are in other groups that will be talking about business or about any other things, they'll also use that information. Then if you're using WhatsApp business, they'll be also looking at payments and transaction as well. Then the general profile picture access, the IP address, the time zone, the about information, battery status, signal strength. So all this information is the one that they'll be using when you accept these new privacy terms. So let me give you a little breakdown when you're talking about the information that they need and how they're going to be using it. Let's give an example that you are in a WhatsApp group, right? And maybe you're looking for a new phone to purchase, and you ask maybe your friends within that group. Then the friends ask for the type of model, the type of brand that you want. Then maybe they'll send you links of website to check up those phones and everything. So they'll take that information, since now they know who you are because of the phone number and how synchronized it is to your maybe Facebook for verification and everything. Then when you go to your Facebook account, they'll start playing ads that are related to the type of phone that you are requesting and the best offers that they are there. So the main reason of all this privacy update is so that they can be able to share more adverts that are related to the things that you're looking for or the things that you're interested in. So that's the main thing, as well as the location and the places that you can be able to access those type of things that will be advertising. So basically that's the new team. But then the tricky part about sharing this type of information, you don't know how far they can go as far as this whole privacy and information sharing can go. So that's the trick. So right now people are starting to shift from WhatsApp to other alternatives depending with the type of features that they offer. But so far from my own research, I've realized that WhatsApp are actually offered more than other messengers could offer, as far as communication is concerned, as far as upgrades are concerned, as far as new features are concerned, which are more trending, which are more live. So let me get straight into it. So the best thing that I can do right now is I'll go through the WhatsApp features and the benefits of using WhatsApp even after this whole privacy thing is actually going on, and other alternatives which is from Telegram and Signal application. So let's get straight into it. So the good thing about using WhatsApp, actually it is a platform of creating groups that contains of 257 members. That is 256 including you, which is the 257. Then it also has a broadcast that you can be able to send messages to multiple individuals at the same time. Then the other good thing about using WhatsApp, as you all know, it supports voice and video calls, both individuals and within groups. And then also it has the status feature, which is the status stories, just like the Instagram story and the Facebook feed story as well. And it also have the feature of sharing location of where you are, the location. Maybe if there's someone who wants to meet up with you, you can actually just send your location via the WhatsApp platform. Then it also offers backup and restore feature, that is for free. They can store your information via the Google Drive, the clouds, the different. It also have emojis, it have GIFs, it have stickers, and you are able to send any type of document or any type of file that includes just basic documents, videos, pictures, contacts, and the list goes on. So these are the main features that we have on WhatsApp. Now let's go into another alternative, which is Telegram, which is actually now have almost 1 billion users on Telegram right now, as more people are shifting from WhatsApp to Telegram into Signal. So currently it's having more users right now. So Telegram, the advantage of using Telegram as far as groups are concerned, since as you see that on WhatsApp they actually have 257 members that can join within a group, well Telegram have 200,000 members that can join a group, which is quite a lot of. Then it also has different group features like hashtag and other stuff that are there. So maybe the good thing that you can do before you uninstall your WhatsApp, you can actually install Telegram. Then you can see, you can compare for yourself and see which is the best messenger that you can use right now. Then the other thing about Telegram, it also have a unique feature, which is self-destruction message, just like the one on Snapchat. This is whereby it distracts you with the message that you send yourself. You put more of a reminder or a timer on when it will send you a message. Then it also has a size of file limit that you can send, which is 1.5 gigabytes. So you can send a file that is as big as 1.5 gig. Also it has emojis, GIFs and stickers. So I think as far as WhatsApp and Telegram is concerned, Telegram can be a better alternative. So let's get into Signal application. Well, Signal application, the good thing about Signal application, first of all, Signal application is more of an NGO sponsored messenger. That's why it is not as popular as WhatsApp and Telegram. It has tight privacy. That means it offers secure messaging for more and it's more private than WhatsApp and Telegram. And the second thing is it offers videos and voice calls as well as the other options that you have. It also have a note to self, which is similar to that of Telegram, the self-destruction message. So this note to self you can set as a reminder that you can put, that you can send to yourself. And the other thing is with this note to self, you can actually write notes that you want to use, which is different from WhatsApp, where you're supposed to use another person's chat space actually to write notes and stuff. So with this one you can actually send yourself messages. Then the other thing about Signal application, it is group creation, it is group calls, it is a desktop version. You can send files as well, that is documents, video, pictures as well. You can actually find stickers and emojis. So that's that about Signal application. So now let's get straight into the secret features of these three applications, since it's the main challenge that making people shift from WhatsApp and looking for other alternatives that they can find. So now, because WhatsApp is now showing that it will be disclosing some of its information to the third party and to its marketing team, is to improve the ads that they'll be playing, the ads to save to you, the clients or the customers or the potential customers. Then we have this Telegram. If you want to enforce privacy, you can use it is a feature that is called secret chat, which can protect your chats from any other parties, from any other individuals as well. It is a zero data that has been shared to a third party till to that. That means it hasn't shared any information with any third party as compared to what WhatsApp is planning to do from the 8th of February. However, it doesn't guarantee that it will remain like that as far as sharing information, but maybe they are going also to share the information to third party after they have made some changes, and then they will update you as well, just like what WhatsApp did. So until then, it is no reputation of sharing its information with the third party. And I think that's the main feature that you have to look for, is the secret chat feature on Telegram. Then as far as Signal privacy is concerned, it is more strict than WhatsApp in Telegram, and it uses an open source Signal protocol to implement an end-to-end encryption. That means the type of privacy that they have, it doesn't actually also have a backup or another cloud that they can share that that they can save that information. So it means if you delete a message from your Signal chat, you're no longer going to find that information. Then the other thing is it offers also in privacy as far as group calls are concerned as well. But the challenge with using a Signal application is it offers a 5-second to 1 week display of the messages that you sent. So either you choose that your message that you're going to send is going to last for only 5 seconds, or 2 days, 5 days, or a week. But the maximum is after every week, after every 7 days, the message will disappear. So maybe some of you would like to remain with your chats, then Signal is not the application for you, since the chats will be removed after 7 days. So I think that's that. But as for me currently, I think I'm going to shift to Signal in Telegram. I think I'm going to use all three applications Because the other thing now with Signal, if you quickly shift from WhatsApp to Signal and you have a few users of Signal, then that means you are going to be talking to few people as compared to the people that you'll be communicating with on WhatsApp. So it just depends with what you want, the WhatsApp with the new terms, or the Telegram or the Signal. So it just depends with the person. So thanks for watching. But before you click exit on this video, please don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe so that you can see upcoming videos on online success, online entrepreneurship, and how to make money online, especially during this time of COVID lockdown. We'll see you next week. Cheers.